Have you ever wished that you could use the jetpack from your favorite sci-fi film to fly down to work, or back up a mountain on a whim? Well, with modern-day science and technology, that's a reality. The LifeWave Y-Age Aeon phototherapy patches range use this technology to help your body increase production of stem cells, which is responsible for a wide range of health benefits. Users of Aeon can expect to experience more energy, less inflammation, and a general feeling of wellness. Longer-term use has been shown to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Aeon patches can be used to address the following: allergies, arthritis, asthma, breast pain, myalgia, carpal tunnel syndrome, chronic back pain, chronic neck pain, Crohn's disease, cystitis, depression, dermatitis, eczema, fibromyalgia, gastritis. LifeWave Aeon patches offer fast pain relief, but don't take our word, look for this revolutionary cutting-edge wearable technology. Sign up for more information here on the 12 health improvements. Apply the Aeon patch every day for the next 30 days. You have a 90-day money-back guarantee. Go to the link in the description and sign up for your free ebook.